name is Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we are making something healthy, something what I like to eat, but today I want to show you a healthier version of crepes. Crepes, nut-free, gluten-free, good for you, made out of cassava flour. For those who are not familiar with this root vegetable, powder I would call, flour made out of root vegetable, it's a very good, it has very high soluble fiber, which is good for you, very high in inulin, and it's just easy to digest. And if you have any restriction with your diet or just simply try to eat better, this recipe for you. Another secret ingredient I decided to include to this recipe, it's a matcha tea. We're going to make them nice and green, kind of welcome spring. We like everything eaten green in this month. So what we need, cassava flour and a couple wet ingredients, which is milk. I'm using pistachio milk. Use any milk of your choice. A little bit of vanilla, honey, salt, and eggs. That's all. Ooh. This recipe is so easy because I make it in a blender, and often I make night before and in the morning just cook them. Honey, just a bit, 1 tablespoon of honey. Salt, matcha, and vanilla. About 1 teaspoon, right? And we need 1 cup of this flour and 1/3. This is really high protein crepes, I would call, and you can fill with anything you like. Scrape a little bit and keep going for another 30 seconds or so. Come see how nice, foamy, vibrant color for this butter. Nice and green. So I like to sit for at least 20 minutes, but often I do, and it's the best way to do. Just make night before, kind of like you make smoothie, very easy. Stick in your fridge and in the morning just cook. And I will show you in 20 minutes how I'm going to cook. But meanwhile, let me get ready the rest of the stuff, what I'm going to serve with. I like to use coconut oil, just a bit. And you need to preheat cast iron or non-stick pan to heat very well. First one, it's usually the hard one. It's perfect. Look how beautiful, beautiful crepes. And I cannot wait to make, to eat them. I cannot wait to eat them. And I'm going to serve with homemade Nutella, I would call. It's a hazelnut spread. And I have recipe not while ago, actually 2 years ago. Time is flying. I posted another link below how to make this sugar-free based on dates. Good for you. Let's try the first one. Spread a little bit. I'm gonna do with strawberries. It's a season and we eat in a lot of berries. You can fold the way you like, and there's no right or wrong. I think fold. Yes. Beautiful. This for matrona, maybe? Can you wait, Mama, make another one? Can we make with apple this one? And this one we'll make with green apple. Yes, so they are gluten and nut and dairy free. Yes. We got a taster. We'll see if she'll sample and say if it's good or not. Can you tell us if it's good? Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Oh, yes. They are so good. Good as it is, you can eat just plain. Sometimes I do with honey or without. They have actually plenty of sweetness. Or you can use whipped cream, whatever you want. You can dress and make for a special occasion breakfast or everyday breakfast or even dessert. Why not? I hope you enjoy this video. In description below, I will link a similar related and full recipe. And please cook from scratch. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.